Here's how you can enter for a chance to become a Hot Wheels. Step 1. Film a 2-minute walk-around video of your car where you talk about your car and all its unique features. Oh, and be sure to hold your phone horizontally. That is super important. And try and be as steady as possible. And please, this is really important, do not add any background music or sound effects whatsoever. Now for the second part. We need you to film another 2-minute video filled with the best beauty shots you can get of your car. Be sure to capture wide-angle shots of your car. We want to be able to see the entire thing. Next, you can move into those sweet detailed shots of what you talked about during your walk-around video. Now we're almost done, but there's one last step. You need to combine both of those videos into a single 4-minute video that you'll upload to YouTube. After that, you just need to go to hotwheels.com/legends to enter your submission with the YouTube link that you just created. And that's it. We cannot wait to see what you guys send in. And stay tuned for more updates on the Hot Wheels Legends Tour.